As I said, today I want to talk something about resilience. Resilience. We have all may have faced lot of failures in our life. We have fallen down in our lives. Yes?
Yes.
But this is the time God is giving us. We have to bounce back. We have to bounce back in life. Isn't it? Are you interested or not?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the first step to bounce back is first and foremost, you should accept yourself, you should love yourself, you should give yourself self-care. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And most importantly, what you should do is you should forgive yourself. What you should do? Forgive yourself. You may be having some feelings inside you. You may be having some kind of fear inside you. You may be having some self-criticism, self-doubt. मैं इस चीज को कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा నేను చేయగలుగుతానా చేయలేనా నేను స్టెప్ తీసుకోవాలంటే నాకు భయం వేస్తుంది ఇలాంటి అన్ని లోపల మనకి ఒక వాయిస్ అనేది వినిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది ప్రతిసారి ఏదైనా మన ముంగట अपॉर्चुनिटी వచ్చినా हमारा सामने कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी आए तो भी हम लोग क्या करते डरते उसको उठाने जाने के लिए होता कि नहीं होता ये కైకు हुआ बोलो तो ఇది ఎందుకు అయిందంటే మనం చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కూడా ఒక విశ్వాసంతో మనం లేము we are not having that confidence in us ఏదో కారణం వలన సో కాబట్టి ఏమైందంటే ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లేక ధైర్యం లేక we started slipping down in life. But remember one thing, God has blessed every human being with one potential. God has blessed everybody with potential. Potential ante you are having that capability inside you. ఆ capability ఉంది ప్రతి మనిషిలో దానిని మనం ట్యాప్ చేయాలా He has gifted us with some talent. We all have a gift inside us. We have to understand what is that gift. Once you know what is that gift, you have to use that gift without fear because it is your gift. అది నీ గిఫ్ట్ కాబట్టి భయపడకుండా దానిని మనం వాడుకోవాలి ఎలా సార్ ఏమైతుంది స్టెప్ తీసుకోవాలంటే భయం వేస్తుంది జరుగుతుందా జరగదా ఎందుకంటే మనం ఫెయిలియర్ ని ఎన్నో సార్లు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం బట్ రిమెంబర్ ఫెయిలియర్ అనేది లేదు దేర్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఫెయిలియర్ వాట్ ఇఫ్ యూ డు నాట్ గెట్ వాట్ యూ వాంట్ ఆఫ్టర్ పుట్టింగ్ యువర్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ then that is called as feedback. That is called as feedback. That means you are learning some lessons from whatever you are trying to do, you are not able to do, or you missed the opportunity. It is called as feedback. So don't take it as failure. Second thing, there is nothing called as problems. Right?
Yes, sir.
We call them as challenges. We call them as challenges. When you start looking at life in this way, in a positive way, that I tried something, it did not happen, that is a feedback. దాని నుంచి నేను ఏం పాఠం నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను అర్థమైందా దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ సెకండ్ థింగ్ నాకు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది నాకు ఆ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది దీని వలన దాని వలన అని కాదు దోస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ కాల్డ్ ఛాలెంజెస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫేస్ అవర్ ఛాలెంజెస్ there will be challenges. Life is not a bed of roses. Life is not smooth path. There will be turns, ups and downs, and also U-turns and all will be there. But we should keep moving. We should not stop. We should have developed that inside courage, inner strength, inner passion should be there. Because there is nothing called as fear. Fear ante evidence lenidi fear antaru. Full form of fear is false evidence appearing real. False evidence appearing real. So there is no evidence. How do you know you will fail? If you go and it does not happen, That means you are learning, oh, this is not the proper way. You try another way. If this is also not happening, you try another way. But if you keep doing the same thing what you have been doing till now, you will keep getting the same thing what you have been getting till now. అర్థమైందా? నువ్వు అదే చేస్తా ఉంటే నీకు అదే దొరుకుతుంది. చేంజ్ రావాలా, నువ్వు దారి మార్చుకున్నప్పుడు చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. చేంజ్ నుంచి నీకు కొన్ని కొత్త కొత్త ఫలితాలు దొరుకుతాయి. You get my point? Yes, sir. So resilience is a powerful attribute that you have to develop in your personalities. You have to bounce back. The world will say he is a failure, he is a waste. Don't worry. You have to fight it here. Have that inner courage. Bounce back. Have you seen a ball? You throw a ball down, it bounces back. You have to bounce back in life. So the first thing what you have to do at this stage is forgive yourself. अपने आप को माफ करो. अपने आप को माफ करो. शीशा का सामने खड़ा रह जाओ. Stand in front of a mirror. Talk to yourself. మీతో మీరు మాట్లాడుకోండి. I have spoken. Praveen, I have missed so many opportunities in my life. Praveen, I had so much of self-criticism. Praveen, I had so much of fear. Praveen, I have this doubt inside me. But Praveen, God has gifted me. I'm talking in the mirror. I did this. I'm talking in the mirror. అద్దంలో నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. దేవుడు నాకు గిఫ్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు. So why should I not use it? From today I will use my gift. ఈ రోజు నుంచి నేను నా గిఫ్ట్ ని వాడుకుంటాను. I will become a better human being. I forgive myself. I forgive myself for having self-criticism. I forgive myself for having doubt. I forgive myself for having fear. From today, I am going to face my challenges. From today, I am going to face all those monsters that are inside me and I throw them out of me. And I start attracting positivity. I start attracting positivity. Anybody can do it. There are so many people who talk about I have failed, I have not made anything of my life. But once they changed their thinking, they came back. And they went on to succeed very gratefully. In a very big manner. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So remember this. Resilience is a key attribute for coming back in life, bouncing back in life. Forgive yourself, accept, and start facing your circumstances and situations. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is one small talk I wanted to give you all. God bless you. Did you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Keep it up. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.